It's some bad weather out here today, man. Woo, feel that breeze, David? God damn it.
Look at Alex over there.
See that thing over there walking? That's a snow giant. A miniature one. It is dangerous to drive outside right now, but it's Bicep Day. We don't miss Bicep Day. Woo, going inside.
Oh yeah, I got one more set. One more.
Kind of like a hook. It's a good workout, man. Good shit. I had a good workout, guys. This time, instead of the peanut butter, I put the Nutella in there. So we got the vanilla protein, milk, a banana, some oatmeal, and Nutella. It tastes adorable, is all I can say. It's better than the peanut butter one. And with this storm, it's pretty bad to drive out there right now. There's those idiots that drive in a normal day. Well, it's snowing. There's even more idiots that drive out there. Super sane idiots, man.